Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your QuickBooks Online account step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to your QuickBooks Online account. Log in to QuickBooks Online using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, select Account and Settings. In the Account and Settings section, navigate to the Billing and Subscription tab. Review the subscription information displayed. If you need to reset your billing information, click on the Edit option. Enter your updated payment details as required. After entering the new information, save the changes by clicking Save. Next, to reset the account itself, navigate back to the gear icon. Choose Account and Settings again. Look for the Data section in the left sidebar. Click on Data. In this section, you can choose to export any important data you wish to keep. Follow the prompts to download the data to your device. Once you have secured your important files, return to the previous menu. You may need to disconnect from third-party applications if applicable. To do this, choose Apps from the left sidebar under Apps and Services. Review the connected apps and select any you wish to disconnect. Follow the prompts to fully disconnect the app. If you want to permanently close your account, navigate to the Billing and Subscription tab again. At the bottom of this page, you will find the option to cancel your subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. Once the cancellation is confirmed, your QuickBooks Online account will be reset. If you wish to start anew, visit the QuickBooks Online website to create a new account. Fill in the required information during the setup process. Review your settings once more after creating your new account. This will ensure your account is configured to your preferences. You have now successfully reset your QuickBooks Online account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.